Hello and welcome to IGT and Tech College. I'm Mr. Seth. If you can listen to their voice, but they cannot listen to your voice while calling, that is mic problem. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can solve this problem easily. If it's your first time to reach here, make sure you click on the subscribe button and notification bell so you will be notified when new video uploaded. So let's go. Open phone careful. This is mic. So we need a new microphone, new one. No? Don't use old or second hand, just use new. Then this is soldering wire, and this is PCB holder. Connect on it if you haven't, but if you don't have it, don't worry, just you can do it. Watch careful. This is new one. As you see, we have positive and negative. Red one is positive, black one is negative. So make sure red wire goes on positive. You see positive symbols here is there. Let me try to zoom. Let me zoom here. Red wire is for positive and black for negative. So this is negative. Then next is positive. Positive. So make sure positive on positive, negative on negative wire. Negative wire is black, positive wire is red. The negative, which I say is ground, GND. I'm using tweezer. Yeah, that's tweezer and soldering gun and soldering wire. So let us clean PCB. Zoom. We're gonna clean with petrol and brush. Clean everywhere. Clean. You see? So we're gonna test if that mic is working well through recording audio. Just try to record audio and listen to audio. If you know output sounds, if you know output voice, make sure that mic is not good. Good mic must record very well. As when you play this current audio, no sound. So we're gonna record a new audio. Record. Test. Hello.